Delhi.
Telangana capital is
Hyderabad.
Andhra Pradesh capital is
Amravati.
Karnataka capital is
Bengaluru.
Tamil Nadu capital is
Chennai.
Maharashtra capital is
Mumbai.
Tripura capital is
Agartala.
Himachal Pradesh capital is
Madhya Pradesh capital is
Jammu and Kashmir capital is
Srinagar.
Bihar capital is
Palma.
Haryana capital is
Chandigarh.
Jharkhand capital is
Ranchi.
Kerala capital is
Thiruvananthapuram.
Madhya Pradesh capital is
Bhopal.
Orissa capital is
Bhubaneswar.
Manipur capital is
Imphal.
Meghalaya capital is
Shilang.
Mizoram capital is
Haridwar.
Nagaland capital is
Kohima.
Uttarakhand capital is
Dehradun.
Uttar Pradesh capital is
Nagpur.
West Bengal capital is
Kolkata.
Pondicherry capital is
Pondicherry.
Punjab capital is
Chandigarh.
Arunachal Pradesh capital is
Ambalapati.
Arunachal Pradesh capital is Assam capital is
Dipur.
Chhattisgarh capital is
Raipur.
Goa capital is
Panaji.
Gujarat capital is
Gandhinagar.